I told you that there's an alternative formula to solving the quadratic equation. Now, we've been taught in schools that x for a quadratic formula ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, x must be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the general formula we all know. But there's a particular formula you can actually use to get the same results. So there's some stuff to it. So let's take it now. We can also use x equals to minus 2c over b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. And it works perfectly like this one. Though there's some reason why it's not being used. But let's test it to see if it works. So I'm going to generate a quadratic equation now, and we're going to solve it using this formula. Alright, so let's solve x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So we're going to write down the values of a, b, c and include them into the formula. So our a here is the quotient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is the quotient of x, which is minus 5. Our c is the number that we have before. So we put it into the formula now. So let's impute it here. Right, so x will be equal to, now minus 2c means minus 2 times c, which is 4. As minus 2 open brackets 4 over b, which is minus 5 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is minus 5 squared. So I'm having minus 5 all squared, right? And minus 4ac, that's minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4. So minus 4 open bracket 1 times 4. Now let's simplify it now. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. And we have minus 8 over minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 squared means 5 minus 5 times minus 5, which is 25. I'm having 25 minus 4 times square is 16. So simplifying it further, I'm having minus 8 over minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 16 is 9. So that's root 9. Now continue from here. Our x will give us to minus 8 over minus 5. Root 9 is 3, so we have plus or minus 3. That will be equals to minus 8 over minus 5 plus 3, or minus 8 over minus 5 minus 3. Surely, for a quadratic equation, you always have two solutions to that. Alright, so let's test if it's done. So x will be equals to minus 8 over minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, which equals to 4, or minus 8 over minus 8, which equals to 1. And it works out perfectly. When we use these solutions, when you put it into the solution, we get the perfect answer. Now, the reason why it's not being used is because if you look at the formula, you can actually detect one thing. Now, from this formula, I have the value of c as my numerator. So it means that if I have a quadratic equation where c is equal to 0, then I won't be able to get two values that we're supposed to get. Let me give an instance now. So I'll clean this off right now. Now, what do I mean by that? So since our x is equal to minus 2c over b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, and if c equals to 0, we only get one formula, one solution to the question, and the quadratic equation should always produce two solutions. So that's the disadvantage of using this formula. If I have x squared minus 4x equals to 0. Now in this question now, my a is equals to 1, my b is minus 4, but the c is 0, obviously. So it means that I'm having only one answer to the question, and that's not what we want to do. So minus 2 over my plus 0, and the rest is automatically I put my minus b. So it doesn't matter what value I put here, it ends up getting 0 because the numerator is 0. So that's the only disadvantage of using this alternative formula. But apart from that, it works well for every other formula where we have a, b, c, and that's that. So I want you to subscribe to my video. I want you to like it. I want you to share. And you will see more of me later on. Thank you.